big moment for Jammu and Kashmir, who made it this far, made it to the quarterfinals, and they go up against Kerala. Look at the lineup for Kerala. Since they've won the toss, they'd be relying on their seam bowlers to do the job. Basil Thampi's there. Nidhish, very handy with the seam. You look at Jammu and Kashmir, they're batting now. There'll be some questions asked because they'll have to bat first here.
शुभम खजूरिया 127 इनिंग में 4000 से ऊपर रन है.
And a lot is being said about this young 21-year-old Yawar Hassan. Nidhish has been given the new ball. First ball of the quarterfinal. Bang on target, making the batter play. That's a good plan always. First ball in line with the stumps. There may be nerves for the batter. Make him play.
ये पहला रन, बिल्कुल कमाल की टाइमिंग. यहाँ पे रन मिलेंगे, बिल्कुल मिलेंगे. 4 रन से ये खाता खोला है जम्मू कश्मीर ने और खजूरिया ने.
Width on offer and gleefully accepted by Yawar Hassan. He gets a boundary. Now worked away. And this will be 4.
This time outside the off stump, taking the outside edge, and Khajuria is gone, caught at second slip.
24 पे 1 जम्मू कश्मीर. शुभम खजूरिया 14 रन बना के वापस.
Vivrant Sharma, 30 innings, 760 runs.
बिल्कुल खराब लाइन इस बार और उसको उतना ही अच्छे से खेला है 4 रन के लिए.
And this time that shot and off the back foot, that's the way it punched away nicely. It's running away down to the boundary for 4.
Oh, बारी किनारा है, विकेट है. जिस विकेट की तलाश थी वो विकेट मिलती हुई केरला को. निधीश के नाम आएगी सफलता और विभ्रांत को जाना पड़ेगा वापस पवेलियन.
Gone is the left-handed Vivrant Sharma, 8 of 24, 41 for 2.
The captain walks out into the middle. Paras Dogra.
और इस बार खराब लाइन. 4 रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पे. यही जो बात कर रहे थे, और कमाल की सफलता दिलाई है. इस बार अंदर को यावर हसन को कोई अता पता नहीं लगा इस बॉल पे.
Yawar Hassan gone for 24. Jammu and Kashmir 48 for 3. Kanhaiya Wadhawan, 250s in his first class career, best of 84.
इस बार खराब लाइन और रन मिलेंगे बिल्कुल.
Whereas the next one has been driven beautifully back past the bowler, wide of the fielder at Maraf and into the boundary. Claras for 4. Outside the off stump, and that's carved away between cover and extra cover. It is running away down to the boundary for 4 runs. Is once again a quicker one and played back along the carpet down to where a short pint would be. The players are trooping off the ground. The bails have been taken off, and that ladies and gentlemen, at lunch on day 1, the total is 66 for 3. After 28 overs have been sent down in the pre-lunch session, and the session summary: 28 overs, 66 runs, 3 wickets, run rate of 2.36. Jammu and Kashmir being put into bat with 66 for 3, with Paras Dogra unbeaten on 14 and Wadhawan on 6, as we are now watching the first ball after the lunch break, and this time outside the off stump. Strikes the ball, was bowled in. What a delivery that was. Played all over it, and immediately after lunch, the Kerala bowlers have tasted success. Paras Dogra's rather painstaking innings comes to an end. 14 of 50 balls, and now looking down the barrel at JRK, 67 for 4. We are in over number 31.
नए बल्लेबाज साहिल लोत्रा इस बार हवा में और इनफील्ड के ऊपर से 4 रन आएंगे. जोखिम भरा शॉट था.
वहां पर कमाल की टाइमिंग. इनका अलग ही फुटवर्क चल रहा है आज. अच्छी फॉर्म दिखाते हुए कन्हैया. बिल्कुल इस बार फिर बाहर, और इस बार रूम था, फिल्टर भी ऊपर था पॉइंट का, और 4 रन मिलेंगे यहां पे साहिल को. इस बार कमाल का फुटवर्क. ये कमाल रही है, ये क्लास रही है कन्हैया की.
And this time once again over pitch outside the off stump. That's been square driven down to the boundary. Will the fielder able to get it? No, he doesn't. The first ball of the first over, and that's been out, caught, and immediately Vadwan has been dismissed of the very first ball to a ball which was overpitched outside the off stump, and Nidish really has been the tormentor. Bowled from close to the stumps. It was marginally away from his body, and just when it looked that he was on the cusp of yet another 50, caught Kunnumal, bowled Nidish, 48 of 80 balls. Lone Nazir Muzaffar is the new batsman, 27 years, 4 innings, 43 runs.
और शानदार शॉट ये साहिल लोत्रा के नाम आएंगे 4. बहुत करारा शॉट है जी.
But this has been swung away down to the boundary at mid-wicket. Will the fielder be able to get it? No, he doesn't. As the next ball is well tossed up, using his feet down the wicket is Muzaffar, driving it on the onside down to the right of the fielder at Madan, and at the completion of 57 overs, 144 for 5. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is tea here on day 1. So first day, first session, 28 overs in 150 minutes of game, 66 runs, 3 wickets with a run rate of 2.36.
And remember, it's a 5-day game, not a 4-day match, so you do have a chance of a comeback. Muzaffar is on 12. The other end, there's Sahil Lothra. Pacers dominating, so the over rate's taken a beating. Single. Oh, a direct hit might have been close. In the end, they haven't conceded overthrows. That's the good part.
और यहाँ पे वो गैप ढूंढ लिया है. अच्छा स्वीप खेला मुजफ्फर ने 4 रन के लिए.
As the next ball is short and off the back foot, that's been slashed away. But there is a fielder in the deep who will run down, and they will restrict the scoring to just a single.
विकेट फिलहाल तो मिलेगी सरवटे को. लाइन मिस कर गए साहिल, क्रॉस खेल बैठे. खराब शॉट, और उसका नतीजा ये कि विकेट मिलती हुई केरला को. टप्पा ऊपर रखा, अक्रॉस द लाइन खेल गए. यहाँ पे खराब शॉट का चयन साहिल लोत्रा के द्वारा. निराश होंगे क्योंकि अच्छी बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे. 35 बनाकर आउट हुए हैं. 173 पर 6 JNK.
So they have lost their 6th wicket. An excellent partnership coming to an end.
इस बार वो टॉप स्पिनर अपील लेग बिफोर की है. अंपायर ज्यादा कन्विंस हुए नहीं, लेकिन रिव्यू लेने का मौका रहेगा.
Next ball, which has been played off the inside edge, running way down to the boundary. They have taken 1 run, and they'll come back, have sufficient time to come back for the second, which takes the total up to 180 for 6. 77 overs have been bowled in the J&K innings.
एक बार फिर फ्लाइट हिट बॉल थी, लेकिन शॉट अच्छा खेला है और रन आएंगे यहाँ पे जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए. शायद एक बार पुष्टि करना चाहें अंपायर कि गेंद क्या लैंड करी है बाउंड्री रोप के पार. तो फिर नजर डाल लेते हैं. ये देखिए, ये पुष्टि करना चाह रहे हैं कि टप्पा क्या बाउंड्री रोप के पार पड़ा है. जी नहीं, ये तो भाई बाउंड्री रोप के पार ही है, ये पहले नहीं है. ये जो आंकड़ा 4 का देख रहे हैं ना वहाँ ग्राफिक में, ये 6 पे बदलेगा. मुजफ्फर भी कह रहे हैं मैं क्यों पीछे रहूं. करारा शॉट, 4 रन मिलेंगे. नए ओवर की शुरुआत है और स्वागत किया यहाँ सरवटे का इस चौके के साथ. For the moment, Abid Mushtaq says, hang on, I'm going to take my chances, gets a boundary, and every boundary like this is only going to make sure that Sachin Baby takes that second new ball quickly.
यहाँ पे कमाल की टाइमिंग. सेट बल्लेबाज मुजफ्फर 40 पे पहुंच गए हैं इस बाउंड्री के साथ.
Edged and taken. The second new ball has done the job. Has that catch been taken? Sachin Baby celebrated the moment he latched onto it, and the wickets finally come.
और जिसकी जरूरत थी, जिसके लिए नया बॉल लिया गया था, निदिश को लेके आए थे. 5वां विकेट अपने नाम कर लिया है इस विकेट के साथ. मुजफ्फर 44 रन बना के वापस 204 पे 7 जम्मू कश्मीर.
It's brought a new batsman at the crease. Yudhvir Singh Charak, the 27-year-old fast bowler. This should be runs here. Misfield will at least allow them 2, if not more. Have come back for the second and will look for the third as well. That's good running.
इस बार एंगल के साथ अंदर लेके आए, जो बात आप कर रहे थे वो मौका बनाया। आबिद मुश्ताक 8वां झटका दे दिया है यहाँ पे। जम्मू कश्मीर को थोड़ा आगे खड़े थे पर वो स्विंग कहीं ना कहीं कवर नहीं कर सके। 19 रन बना के आबिद मुश्ताक पवेलियन और 210 पे 8 जम्मू कश्मीर।
Aqib Nabi walks out into the middle. 638 runs in 41 innings.
आखिरी गेंद हो सकती है आज के दिन की।
And he'll get runs here. Drifting onto the pad line, Bessel Thampi, and he pays the price. It's a 4. It's a boundary to end the over. And what a cracking shot that from Yudhvir. It takes him to 17, and that will be stumps on day 1 of this quarter-final, being played at the Maharashtra Cricket Association ground in Gahunje, Pune, between Jammu and Kashmir and Kerala. Day 1. You look at how things have gone. Almost even number of overs bowled in every session. But we did see an extension in the final session of play today. 29 overs in the third session. J&K lost 3 wickets, but they scored 84 runs as well in this final session of play. And by far, the best net run rate that we saw in the day's play came in the final session of play.
बैटिंग की बात करें और पार्टनरशिप देखने को मिली जरूर है, पर खजूरिया और यावर हसन